Hi guys, my name is Nonima Tikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about why is the state case in a huge pickle. Let's talk about that. Let's break it down. Before we do that, guys, please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment. And most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you are supporting this channel financially and in numbers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Now, according to their own case, Zungu Senior is the one who led them to arrest accused 1 and 2. So tell us, how do they remove that piece and still have a case? You can't delete your foundation and expect the house to stay standing. You can't. And if anyone wants to scream, but they have Zungu Junior, let's talk facts again. Let's talk facts fast, please. Didn't Zungu Junior go to Lishebane before his father's statement was taken? And didn't they tell him to take a hike because his case wasn't strong enough? That's exactly why he returned with Senior's statement in hand. So how do you erase Senior now when Junior depended on him to even be heard? Exactly. That's exactly that. Number one, the case states tied to Zungu Senior tightly. Their own narrative says he is the one who led them to arrest accused 1 and 2. Catch that, ne? Catch that. 2, that means Zungu Senior is not optional. He's not a side character. He's a foundational witness, right? 3, remove him and you remove the very reason the accused were targeted. The case collapses on itself. No one touches it, but the moment they say, as if we don't want his evidence, hearsay, what? Once they go that route, the case ends. You can't have an arrest without him. You cannot have an arrest without Ubabu Zungu. No ways. You can't. Number 4, and for those who say, but they still have Zungu Junior, let's deal with that quickly. Zungu Junior went to Lishebane before his father's statement existed. He tried to give his story. He tried to report what he knew. And what happened? They told him to take a hike. This case wasn't strong enough. They didn't believe him. They didn't use him. They didn't take anything that he said. Instead, they called each other. Lishebane was there. I don't know whether Lishebane phoned Shadrack Sibia, because he knew Shadrack Sibia was there at the time. And Shadrack Sibia perhaps was the one who said, you know what? There's someone that I think we can call Makubo. And then Makubo comes and then they speak to Makubo, and Makubo is coming with other details now that are making them even sure unamanga when you are lying, Junior. Do you see why who problematic out there? So Junior's value depends entirely on Senior statements. Senior validates Junior. Senior explains why Junior was reapproached. Senior anchors the narrative. Remove Senior, you remove Junior's credibility pathway. You remove the arrest logic. You remove the investigative chain. I don't think Abobaloy realized any of that. And that is why the state is stuck. They can't delete Senior. They can't justify relying solely on Junior. And they can't explain the take a hike rejection at Lishebane. A pickle doesn't even begin to describe it. So that is why the state is trapped in a corner and there's no clean way out. They don't know what to do. Because as I will keep repeating, according to their own case theory, Zungu Senior is the reason accused 1 and 2 were arrested. He is the origin point, the trigger point, the foundation. So how does the state remove him now and still pretend to have a valid case? They can't. And for anyone who uses their mukhodu, you can't. Like, honestly, it's hard. Oh, it's hard. Situation yabo ithi sizothini ebantwini, sizothini kurhulumente, sizothini ku-commissioner, sizothini it's a situation of sizothini. Ingusizothini imeko yakhona yonke sizothini ebantwini. He was dismissed uJunior. If Zungu Senior, so the truth is, if Zungu Senior falls, Zungu Junior's relevance collapses with him. His entire involvement depends on a statement that now looked forged, manipulated, and flat out fabricated, which leaves the state in a position they cannot explain. If Senior didn't give that statement, why were 1 and 2 arrested then? They need to answer that question. Who authorized the chain of events? And how do you justify anything that followed? This is why the state is in a pickle, a big one. Because you can't erase the foundation and still expect the roof to stay up. There is no way. I feel for them, yes. I want to see them collapse. I want to see them collapse, Sanala. I want to see them collapse. I don't want to even lie. I don't want to even pretend. I can't wait to see them collapse. Estate. So the question is, sizothini ebantwini, sizothini, sizoyenza kanjani? Kubi, kubi. What Ubaloy guys? Baloy is an embarrassment. Why did he allow this into the courtrooms to begin with? We're gonna talk into another video. Sorry, we're gonna do a video where we speak about who needs to be investigated. We're gonna do a video about that. Once the Senzo Meyiwa case is done, who are the people that needs to be investigated that were involved loudly? The people that were so loudly involved, who needs to be investigated? We're just gonna have to figure out. Ngabobani kumele ba-investigate. Because akwazi kaloku akuzukwazi uba kuvele kuphele kanjalo. Or akuzukwazi ukuthi kuvele kuphele kanjalo. Kuzomele kubekho abantu who are getting investigated. There needs to be an inquiry for iSenzo Meyiwa case. I need to do a different video for all of that. I need a different video. Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts when it comes to all of this? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. I want to hear what do you think about this entire situation? Am I wrong? Am I missing something? Let's talk. Please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end. And when you are doing that, you are supporting this channel financially. You are helping this channel to grow. And we are currently on our road to 15,000 subscribers. I think I need about 30 people. I need about 30 people to kindly please subscribe so that I can reach 15,000 subscribers. Please. 15K, here we come. Please. I need that 15,000 subscribers. Please, guys. And on that note, thank you so much. I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.